Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how to make money with Temu affiliate program and Pinterest. Believe it or not, Temu products are selling very well on Pinterest. But first thing you need to do, you need to choose your niche. So I will come here on Pinterest trends, and then here I can see there is lots of trends, but I wish only recent trends. So I will click here and I will click top monthly trends. And here you can see it is for month of September. And here I can see all kind of trends, and here I can see graph for each of these trends. So for example, let me just click here for Halloween nails. I wish to niche down because I'm guessing that competition for this keyword is big and strong. So when I click here, I can research further this trend. And here you can see this trend is growing, which makes sense because Halloween is coming in a month. But like I said, I need to find a keyword with less competition, and here I can see there is lots of related keywords. So for example, I can choose spooky Halloween nails, and here I can actually compare these two trends. Here you can see green is spooky Halloween nails and blue is Halloween nails. And here I can find even more related searches, and when I click here, I can get even more ideas. So for example, let's just say I wish to use this here, gothic nails. When I click here, I can compare this trend with the previous two trends. Here I can see this trend here, and here I can compare these three trends. So let's just say for the purpose of this video, I will use gothic nails. So now what I need to do, I need to actually research this. So I will copy this keyword and I will go on Pinterest, and then here I will actually search for gothic nails. And here I can see some related topics that people are searching here on Pinterest. So when I press enter, I can see my competition because I installed sort pin. And here I can see my competition. As you can see, these pins are not getting that much saves, that much likes, but they are getting saves and likes, and that means people are actually searching this. There is traffic to get from this keyword here, gothic nails. But competition is not big, which means I can actually rank in top search results on Pinterest. So next thing you need to do, you need to write an article. I would recommend you to write article and to use articles to promote Temu products. So my topic is gothic nails. Okay, so I will copy this. So now I need to go on ChatGPT and I need to tell it to give me a catchy title. So I will say something like this. Give me catchy title for this keyword, gothic nails for Halloween. And I will press enter, and now ChatGPT will give me some title suggestion. And here you can see this is title suggestion. It actually looks good. So now I need to give it a prompt to give me an article for this title. So I will say something like this. Write me an SEO optimized article that looks like it was written by a real human being for this title. Spooky and stylish gothic nail designs perfect for Halloween. And then press enter. And now ChatGPT will write this article for me. And I would suggest you to actually manually rewrite this article because many big companies, many big websites, they don't like AI written articles. That is why I would suggest you to actually rewrite this article. And you can publish this article on Vocal Media, on medium.com, or even better, on your own blog or website. But before you do that, you actually need to do a research. You need to see, are there actually any gothic nails on Temu that you can promote? So I will simply search gothic nails here on Temu. As you can see, there is lots of gothic nails that you can find on Temu that you can promote and make money. Which means I can use this article here to promote these Temu products here. And like I said, publish it on your blog, on your website, on vocal.media or medium.com. Now after that, you need to make a Pinterest pin. So you need to go on Canva, and then here you can see I already prepared some images to shorten this process. And I can say something like this. So I will click here on T for text, and I will choose one of these text styles. So for example, let's just say I will use this one here. I will simply paste this, and I will make this a bit smaller and a bit wider. Okay, and now a bit bigger, something like this. Okay, and now I will move that here. Okay, and I will make this text to be white because it will be more visible. So I will simply highlight this, and then I will click here, and then I will choose here white. Okay, and here you can see now this is more visible. Now after you finish your pin, now this is also another tip for you. I almost forgot this. Try to make a Pinterest pin that is longer than wider, because in that case you will take more real estate and it is a bigger chance that people will actually stop scrolling when they see your pin. Now after you make your pin, just click here on share, click here on download, choose the PNG or JPEG, click here on download again, and you will download this pin to your desktop. Now all you have to do is just go back here on Pinterest and then simply click here on create, and then click here to find the pin that you created in Canva. This is the pin, and now what you need to do, you need to optimize this Pinterest pin. That is important because here we actually saw that that competition is not that big, it is not that strong, which means if we optimize our Pinterest pin well, we can rank high on Pinterest search results. Also, this is another tip for you. When you just publish that Pinterest pin, I would suggest you to give it a little push. What that means? That means you can find lots of Facebook groups where you can exchange likes and Pinterest saves, which means you will save somebody else's pin and they will save your pin. Also, you can go on Add Me Fast or Like for Like, earn free credits and exchange those free credits for Pinterest saves and Pinterest likes. In that case, you will actually give it an initial push to your Pinterest pin. And if you did a good job with optimizing that pin will rank high on Pinterest search results, and you will start getting free traffic from Pinterest to your article where you are promoting Temu affiliate products. Trust me guys, this works. It takes a bit of work, it takes a bit of time, but it works. You will start making money with Pinterest affiliate marketing and Temu affiliate program in 2025. That's it for today guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.